Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And I actually wanted to show you a new truck we're putting on the lot. This is a 2010 Ford F-250. It is a diesel. It's got the 6.4 liter power stroke. But this is, and I want to come up here close, this is a limited edition. It's actually a Harley Davidson edition. This is a Lariat, so we're going to go ahead. I'm going to walk around, show you the outside of this truck, then we'll go ahead, get on the inside, show you the front or the inside. You can see you do have the tow latches right there. So let's walk on around. Got to get a little distance away from this one. It's a big truck. Beautiful rims on this, chrome running boards. Now you do have heated mirrors on the outside on both sides. Now this does, as you can see right now, has the FX4 off-road package. Does have a backup camera and a bed liner. Your backup camera right here. Back away so you can see the inside of the bed liner. It does have a sliding window. Does have a couple dings on the rear right back here. Other than that, it's actually it's a beautiful truck, beautiful silver on this. But I wanted to show you the rims on this thing. Black, plenty of tread. Here's your chrome running boards. Let's go ahead, open the back up. Spacious room back here. Does have leather interior, tan. Headliner appears to be in very good condition. Show you the door panel, two-tone with the wood accents. You do have keyless entry to get in here. So let's go ahead and hop up on in. Before I get up in, give you a little view for your front seat control mechanisms. And here you've got your window locks, memory seats. Didn't know I had those keys in here. So here, I'm going to go ahead and back away, show you the steering wheel, the instrument cluster, get a little bit closer, and controls for your lighting here. Now on the left side of your steering wheel you have cruise control, and on the right side is your Bluetooth controls. Hook your phone up to this, and we go over here on the main dash. Controls for two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive here. Slider for your window that opens and closes behind us. Here you do have your CD player. So you've got your audio controls here. Heating, air conditioning, dual climate controls right here. You do have heated seats in this, so come in winter time you're definitely going to appreciate that. And then additional controllers. So I'm going to go over here. You see you've got two cup holders. Nice storage capacity in these Ford trucks. All kinds of space right here. Let me pan around, show you the back seat. Of course that center does fold down. Very ample leg room that is back here. So that's the truck that I wanted to showcase to you today. We do have financing options available right here at the dealership. You can actually go on our website if you choose to and fill out a credit application right there on our website. The link is below. And we have a lot of banks that are interested in loaning money right now. And so you can get approved. You don't have to have great, perfect credit. Get in this truck today, no money out of your pocket. If you'd like to walk off, just drive your signature, let the ink dry, and it's yours. So if you have any questions, feel free to give us a phone call, area code 740-992-4443. And while I'm here, I'm just going to walk over. This is such a beautiful day. I'm going to show you the river here. For those of you that don't live here, this is the Ohio River. Right over there is West Virginia. We're in Ohio. It's scroll down, right there is Pomeroy. So it's a beautiful day. Just wanted to show that. If you're on the market for a limousine, we can even hook you up with that. But we've got an incredible selection. Of course, I'm not showcasing this one, but here's a Hemi 5.7 liter, another nice four-wheel drive that we have. But anyway, feel free to give us a call. Have a great day. Bye for now.